Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Minder. Today's ultimate flag quiz challenge. Test your knowledge about flags from around the world. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with the easy level. Number 1. Which country's flag has a red circle in the center? A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. Bangladesh, D. China. A. Japan. Which country's flag has a maple leaf? A. Canada, B. USA, C. Australia, D. Spain. A. Canada. What do the 50 stars on the USA flag represent? A. States, B. Colonies, C. Continents, D. Cities. A. States. Which color is not present in the Indian flag? A. Green, B. Orange, C. Blue, D. Black. D. Black. Which African country's flag has a green star in the center? A. Egypt, B. Algeria, C. Morocco, D. Nigeria. C. Morocco. Which country has a dragon on its flag? A. China, B. Bhutan, C. Nepal, D. Vietnam. B. Bhutan. What color is most commonly used in flags worldwide? A. Green, B. Red, C. Blue, D. Yellow. B. Red. Which country's flag has the Union Jack in one corner? A. New Zealand, B. South Africa, C. Canada, D. Brazil. A. New Zealand. Which country's flag is entirely green with no other symbols? A. Libya, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Bangladesh, D. Pakistan. A. Libya. Which Nordic country's flag is blue with a yellow cross? A. Norway, B. Sweden, C. Denmark, D. Finland. B. Sweden. Let's start with the medium level. What does the red color in the Chinese flag symbolize? A. Happiness, B. Communism, C. Prosperity, D. Freedom. B. Communism. Which European country's flag has three vertical stripes of black, yellow and red? A. Belgium, B. Germany, C. France, D. Italy. A. Belgium. Which country's flag has a crescent moon and star? A. Turkey, B. Malaysia, C. Pakistan, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Which is the only country to have a non-rectangular flag? A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Maldives, D. Switzerland. A. Nepal. What does the white color in the Indian flag represent? A. Peace, B. Prosperity, C. Courage, D. Truth. A. Peace. Which country's flag is known as the Union Jack? A. Australia, B. United Kingdom, C. Canada, D. Scotland. B. United Kingdom. How many stripes are there on the USA flag? A. 10, B. 12, C. 13, D. 15. C. 13. Which country's flag features a cedar tree? A. Lebanon, B. Cyprus, C. Iraq, D. Jordan. A. Lebanon. What does the black stripe on the German flag represent? A. Unity, B. Bravery, C. Freedom, D. Determination. A. Unity. Which Middle Eastern country's flag has two swords and a palm tree? A. Oman, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Qatar, D. Kuwait. B. Saudi Arabia. Let's start with the hard level. Which country's flag has the most stars? A. USA, B. Brazil, C. Australia, D. China. A. USA. Which country's flag has a white cross on a red background? A. Switzerland, B. Denmark, C. Norway, D. Finland. A. Switzerland. What does the blue color in the United Nations flag represent? A. Justice, B. Humanity, C. Peace, D. Freedom. C. Peace. Which Asian country's flag has a golden temple in the center? A. Thailand, B. Cambodia, C. Malaysia, D. Kuwait. B. Cambodia. Which country's flag is entirely red with a white crescent moon and star? A. Turkey, B. Pakistan, C. Malaysia, D. Thailand. A. Turkey. Which South American country's flag has a blue disc with a motto inside? A. Brazil, B. Uruguay, C. Argentina, D. Chile. A. Brazil. Which country's flag features the Star of David? A. Israel, B. India, C. Ethiopia, D. South Korea. A. Israel. Which European country's flag is a simple red and white design? A. Poland, B. Austria, C. Switzerland, D. Latvia. C. Switzerland. Let's start with the impossible level. Which country's flag is known as the tricolor? A. France, B. Italy, C. Ireland, D. all of the above. D. all of the above. Which Southeast Asian country's flag has a crescent moon and 5 stars? A. Malaysia, B. Singapore, C. Brunei, D. Indonesia. B. Singapore. Which Middle Eastern country's flag features a golden eagle? A. Egypt, B. Iraq, C. Jordan, D. Yemen. A. Egypt. Which country's flag has a red background with a white cross? A. Denmark, B. Iran, C. Thailand, D. Laos. A. Denmark. Which country's flag features a yin-yang symbol? A. Bhutan, B. China, C. South Korea, D. Thailand. C. South Korea. Which country's flag has a red and black eagle? A. Indonesia, B. Austria, C. Germany, D. Albania. D. Albania. Which European country's flag has two horizontal stripes of red and white? A. Austria, B. Poland, C. Turkey, D. Libya. A. Austria.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Quizminder channel for more fun challenges like this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.